Looking for an easy, more economical way of preserving your fresh food? ULTTY vacuum sealer is perfect for you. Designed with fully automatic vacuum sealing operation, soft-touch digital buttons, LED indicator lights, electric plug-in and the control center placed on the top panel makes the operation more convenient. Dry and moist. Two modes to provide your food with the best preservation according to your different needs. You can choose auto button for delicate food and menu button for juicy food. For the best perfect sealing, all you need to do is close to food material you want to seal. Place it carefully in the vacuum chamber of the vacuum sealer. Press firmly to join the two edges together. Press the auto button and wait for a couple of minutes to get sealed. You can also touch cancel button when in vacuum sealing process. It will immediately halt the current function. When the seal indicator lights up, the machine is sealing. Press the release buttons on both sides again to unlock the lid after the light is off and take out the sealed food. ULTTY vacuum sealer with detachable overflow tank is easy to clean after use. It also comes with an accessory port feature and can preserve food with vacuum canister. No better way of preserving your food than the ULTTY vacuum sealers. Order now!
Keep foods fresh for longer with this vacuum sealer bag set and pump. Each set comes with 30 reusable FDA-approved vacuum bags in 3 different sizes, as well as a hand pump. The reinforced double zipper ensures an airtight seal that locks in freshness and flavor and helps prevent freezer burn, spoilage, and odor. The vacuum bags are ideal for freezing meats and vegetables bought in bulk. They also help extend the shelf life of dried goods like rice, beans, and ground coffee. Or keep your lunch sandwiches fresh all day long. You're sure to save money and live a healthier lifestyle.
Introducing the Food Saver 2-in-1 Vacuum Sealing System. This innovative sealing solution now gives you more ways to seal and more ways to save. The Food Saver Vacuum Sealing System keeps food fresh up to 5 times longer and helps you save up to $2,700 a year. The Food Saver Vacuum Sealing System automatically senses the Food Saver bag and starts the vacuum sealing process, then applies a virtually airtight heat seal to help prevent freezer burn and spoilage. Why throw away expensive meat and fish when you can save it with a Food Saver system? The retractable handheld sealer works with zipper bags, containers, and accessories for fridge and pantry items, perfect for deli meats and cheeses, cereal, snacks, and more. Unlike other vacuum sealers, the Food Saver vacuum sealer comes with a pull-out drawer and patented removable drip tray, making cleanup a breeze and extending the life of your appliance. Keep your food fresh up to 5 times longer with the Food Saver 2-in-1 Vacuum Sealing System. More ways to seal, more ways to save.